Now, fellas, let's talk NFTs.
Can you tell us more?
Absolutely. Follow me this way. So NFT, or non-fungible token, but that's hardly an explanation. It's actually quite similar to that watch you're wearing. Can I see that? Like watches, NFTs have a unique serial code, which allows them to be authenticated and legitimized. So they're basically uniquely designed, easily transferable, and kind of cool.
It makes a lot of sense. Can I have that back, please? Thank you.
That is just the beginning. Because they are unique and trackable, NFTs can be used to be able to verify a ton of real-world assets, such as cars or clothing or even the Red Bull you're drinking.